crap. First cast with the old booger rig on here. Oh, I see him running for it right now. Man, I ain't never seen nothing like that. Are you gonna eat that? No, man, you go ahead, you eat it. Alright then. Dang. Caught a mondo. That's what we caught it on. The old little brown tadpole with a little red eye. Dang, catching them mondos. He gone. Threw it. Stay tuned. Dang. Get one? Dang, what the dude, how, what the how in the world? Oh man. He gone. Got it on the old turd. He gone. Hey, stay tuned, see if he gets his rod back. Oh man. Something bumped it. Something's hitting it right now. Or maybe I've hit rock bottom. Oh, dude. Something bit one of the things off of it. Dang. I was getting a bite. Good old Father's Day out here catching a couple nice little bluegills. He gone. Dang. Alright guys, thank y'all for watching the video. If you're new to the channel, make sure and slap that old thumbs up button down there. Hit the subscribe button. That way you get all the new videos, all the new content. Hey, I'm the Bluegill Bandit, but I catch everything. Catfish, carp, crappie, bluegills, bass, muskie, salmon, killer whales, everything. But thanks for watching the video. and stay tuned for some more fishing videos coming at you.